Karen from your iCreate Art Kit team. Today we're going to look at our monthly subscription boxes. We are art educators and have been teaching children for over 13 years. These boxes are fun, educational, and creative. So let's look at what you're going to get with one of our mailer boxes. Inside, we wrap everything in the red tissue paper, so it's all neatly together for you. So first, you're going to get the first thing are some instructions, which are all in clear plastic. We're going to give information about our accessories, also going to give information about the 2 projects that are in there, as well as some other tips and interesting information from us. Then each project will be individually wrapped in tissue paper as well, and it will be labeled. Then each project is going to include a sequential drawing, some information about the sequential drawing, including information on how to modify the projects for either younger children or older children. Definitely see our YouTube channel for more help on that. Then we have the instructions with materials and the vocabulary, and then some did you know facts about the project. We include lots of fun reference images as well. Next, you're going to get your papers. So again, with the 2 projects, you'll get 6 pieces of paper in total, 3 for each one. And then you'll also get a line drawing of the 2 projects. This is especially helpful for younger children who are frustrated with the sequence drawing. They can trace over it using the transfer paper, and that is really helpful. Next, you're just going to get all your materials. Everything's included for the 2 projects all together in one kit. And then don't forget about accessories. Our great accessories, we have accessory bags to hold all your products and materials, and then this great color wheel with all kinds of information, and then keep clean with one of our aprons as well. If you have any questions, please email us, and again, check out our YouTube channel. Thanks.